got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, down, down.
Alright, you guys, so I just showed you guys the overview of what I'm gonna be working with in this basement. This is a space I barely share with you guys, but I plan on sharing a little bit more with you guys about this space. I wasn't you rarely see me down here, but this is my husband's hangout place, and lately I've been hanging out with him after the kids go to bed. We just catch up on our Netflix shows, and I want to make it bright. Like, I feel like it's a little too dark for me, so we have future projects that we are working on and we want to get done. One of them being painting the fireplace. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna show you guys. I will film the whole process and show you guys, and then we are planning to remove that actual fireplace right there. That's the real fireplace, like wood, so it has some ashes in there. We haven't used it since we moved here, so we don't know how old the ashes are, and we've been here for almost 3 years, so we're gonna get a company to come and clean it all out and just make sure it's all gone. And then we're thinking we will put in like a fake fireplace in there. That's not anytime soon, but that's something that my husband and I are planning. But for the fireplace, that's gonna be sometime soon, so make sure you are subscribed and you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on that. And also, while I'm giving you guys updates, we painted these walls when we moved in, and then this whole side from here all the way down, it's all like shiplap, I think, or does shiplap go this way? I'm not sure what that's called, but I'm gonna call it shiplap for now. So it's wooden, and ever since I painted the banister going upstairs, it kind of looks weird with these ones still being like wood. So I'm planning on painting those as well, so that's gonna throw off everything. So I'm thinking I'm gonna paint everything, like these walls, and just brighten them up. I want this space to be brighter. I want it to be functional for our family. My husband loves to hang out here. This is like his man cave. After the kids go to bed, he just hangs out here, and lately I've been hanging out with him here. So I want it to be a little functional. The kids are getting older, so we're gonna have a ton of movie nights in the future, and then I want it to be a cozy place for us. So those are the few projects that I have going on. And I'm also gonna paint the window trim as well, including the ones upstairs. So I have so much to do, and I'm so excited. I do love these house projects and DIYs that I can get to work on my own. I'm so excited. So I wanted to share with you guys all of that, and I hope you guys are looking forward to the videos because I'm so excited to film it. So before I'm out of breath from talking, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the cleaning, and I hope you guys enjoy. So the first thing that I wanted to do was to pick up all the kids' toys that they had been playing with. So I got a bin and I went around and collected them all. I have also wanted to switch the couches around to see how it would look. So I did all that only to end up switching it back because it looked better the way it was. So by the time you are watching this, I have done another switch. So for the bookcases, I just pretty much put back everything in a neatly way, and I put the books back where they were supposed to be. The bookcases were quite dusty, so I cleaned them off by using my Vim all-purpose cleaner with just a microfiber cloth. Here you just see me looking through some old pictures. I was looking at some of Ethan's baby pictures, and also the Mickey Mouse red thing you see there. That was his first birthday invitation that my sister-in-law created for him, which was so nice of her. But yeah, I was just going through the pictures and reminiscing. I can't believe how big my children have gotten. This bookcase had a little bit more work to do. I feel like we piled so much on here. Jeremy's work desk used to be in that area there between the bookcases, and I feel like we were just adding some stuff to it slowly. But yeah, here I'm just going around wiping each shelf down. Some of these things were pretty sticky. I don't know if someone spilled something there, but there was like a stickiness to the picture frames, so I went ahead and I gave them a good wipe as well. So this TV stand is probably not going to be here for a very long time. My husband is talking about putting the TV above the fireplace, so we won't be needing it for very much longer, but I wanted to go ahead and clean it off as well. The TV had some dust on it, so I did that, and then I moved to the fireplace. So where those picture frames are, that's where the TV will be going. And I can't wait. I can't wait to see how it's gonna look. I'm quite curious. But like I mentioned before, this will have to be done probably after we do paint the fireplace. So the last thing that I had to do for my cleaning was to vacuum the living room as well. And as you can see, I have a little audience. Anytime I turn on the vacuum, my children just come running.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh.
So the last thing I vacuumed were these stairs. The vacuum can get quite heavy, so sometimes I do forget to touch on the stairs. Anyways, I am gonna end it here. Thank you so much for sticking around. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!